Welcome to the Mueller Electric Close-Up Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our EZ Squeeze heavy-duty clip, which uses 75% less pressure to open as a center spring clip, and it retains the same clamping pressure, reduces hand fatigue, and is much easier to use for people with limited hand dexterity. Easy to use for long periods of time. Solid copper option with zinc-plated steel. Wire connection is crimp and solder, 8-wire gauge, and for zinc-plated steel is rated 50 amps and with solid copper is rated 100 amps. Clip form is a reliable center spring. Environmental rating is RoHS 3 compliant. Connects to wire up to 8 AWG via crimp or 10 to 32 screw connection included. Overall length 4.5 inches or 114 millimeters. Overall width 1.1 inches or 28 millimeters. Overall height 2.7 inches or 69 millimeters. Maximum jaw spread 1.06 inches or 27 millimeters. Ergonomic hand positioning, easy to connect, one-handed connect or disconnect. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and our electronic distribution partners. When you partner with Mueller Electric, you can count on durable, reliable, and accurate products every time. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.